Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we'll talk about how can you fix the issue in which your wallpaper is changing by itself. In your Xiaomi devices it could be 12.5 or the normal 12 version. So I'm facing this issue since I have updated the Nova launcher, which I'm using currently or for a long time. So what's the actual issue? Let's see. So whenever I'm using the device, it's changing by itself, like to the default wallpaper, lock screen and all. So if I'm using the native launcher which comes along with the MIUI, there isn't any issue. But if I'm using any third-party launcher or something else, it is changing by itself to its default. Okay, so this is the Nova launcher, the beta version that I'm using, and to fix all you just have to follow a few steps that worked for me, and I hope that's going to be the solution for you guys too. Okay, so first set the lock screen or the wallpaper you want to have for your phone, and later that you have to change font of your device. Yes, so the by default font which comes along with the device itself, it's Roboto. So if that's the default font for your MIUI version, make sure to remove that. Do not, I mean not remove, but do not use that. Install any other one. For in my case, this is the other font, Google Sans version 4. This is working fine for me. Or you can check out the other Google Sans version. Google Sans is the official font type provided by Android and supported by Google. So yeah, this is working for me. I am using Google Sans version 4, but you can go with the normal Google Sans or the Google Sans version 4 or the other modes. Just download, apply and reboot your device, and that would be all for the process. Okay, so after your device restarts and when you come back to the device, you won't notice any other changes, like no changes in wallpaper, lock screen or anything. This is going to work for you guys in every way. So this is how I fixed the issue of changing wallpaper by itself to its default, and it is working for me. I hope this is going to work for you guys too. Let me know in the comment section below if this solution worked for you, and if it is, share with everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.